Stop, losers!
It is cooking day.
It is cooking day. Brownies.
Brownies, and we're doing rotolititos, as I called them, and meatballs.
Rotolititos. Rotolititos.
Totally said that right.
Rotolititos.
Who likes my shirt?
I did not expect her to wear that out today. She did.
I did, in fact, wear it out today.
Okay, we're in the process. I'm talking to the people.
Next step. You got a whisk? What do you do on a whisk?
I do.
This is crazy. Welcome to the kitchen.
Oh, hold on.
Y'all ain't never been in here before.
Almost here.
She's sick.
Yes.
I am not.
Okay. We whisk all the wet ingredients. We whisk all the wet ingredients. Then, we have to do the honors.
I dump all this in.
Dump
I make a hole in the middle, and then I put all the wet stuff in the middle, and then I cover it to make it look like there's nothing there. And then I mix it.
Oh, they explode everywhere. I hate everything about that right now.
Why?
Because I hate how it gets caught on the side. Shaky. Perfect.
Can we get a new trash can?
That would be great. You want to buy one? Why? Tell me why.
Disgusting.
Tell me why they're $80. Tell me why a trash can is $80.
Why are you looking at me like I would know? I haven't bought a trash can before. Dinky. Oobla. That's really sad. I know.
Daphne's Portuguese. The
Oobla
Portuguese
was in the
woman.
bathroom.
Tell me she doesn't look like a Portuguese woman. Look at her.
We've been over this.
Have we?
Yes.
Oh.
Now I'll put you back on your seat. Let go then. Here. Latch on me. You don't want me to put me down. Going on?
Huh? You could start the meatballs?
No. They don't take that long.
Oh.
They take
These take like
15, 20 minutes.
yeah, these take like there's too much stuff on this plate.
Fucking out.
That's what I said.
Can I zoom out?
Here,
No.
put this here.
Put him over here. Daphne.
This can go fuck itself. This can also go fuck itself.
Need a bowl. Fuck with bowls. How many are you thinking? How many are you gonna eat? I'll base how many I make off that.
That's good enough, honestly.
How many are you gonna eat?
That many.
You're gonna eat that many?
Yeah.
So
Like,
I should.
yeah. Like half of that.
I love these. I will eat a whole bag of these.
I am sick and I cannot taste anything. So,
Eat balls.
meat of the balls.
I'm simply thawing them. I'm not cooking them in the microwave like Carrie wanted me to.
Carrie, dearest.
No.
Carrie, no.
No.
Carrie, no.
No.
Carrie, no. I know that's your solution to everything. It's crispy meatballs, Carrie. Do not get this. Sure. I don't think we have. Do you need tinfoil?
I would just ask you to wash it.
Okay, great.
Because it's
Cool.
disgusting. Where the fuck the balloons come from?
My
My kid was
mother's
cute.
mother's birth. He's a little chip thing. I forgot about my little dinosaur shaper sandwich thing.
Are we doing garlic bread?
It's gonna take like 5 minutes. Are we using?
But I need to make the garlic sauce if you want me to do that.
Nothing happened. It's saved. It's fine.
Okay, I like that it bounced
Yeah.
off your floor.
Okay, this is dumb. Damn, stick. God damn. Damn. Should I add another egg to this?
In the microwave? No, it's fine.
Okay.
It feels so big.
Need.
I know you're mad at me. Wow, bitch. Go back in there. I'm gonna go get the butter.
Daffodil. Oh, jeez. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Look at the little paws. Widow pinchos. You pinchos. You mad? Daphne's the Portuguese.
A small bowl.
Why? Just one.
Yeah. Shut up. These knives are so weird.
What?
The little pink ones. Like, why are they triangular? Don't understand. Yep, just the whole thing of butter. Totally. It's totally what I was trying to do.
Yeah, why the fuck not? Cough into the brownies.
Yeah, thanks, Jim.
I didn't actually.
I will finish you after because I don't need you right now. I need a clean pot.
Let's see. Let us see.
That's the only pot we have. Actually, looks like you have 2 dishes to wash.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Why won't this close? There we go. Have you made brownies ever?
Yes. Yes. There's not enough though.
Yes, there is. There is.
Look at those. Look at it.
I don't know what is stuck to this, man.
Just don't look at that. It's fine. Don't look at that. Okay. Just
Can't put that in yet.
Why? I don't. Stupid preheater.
Wash Your mother's smoking a cigarette up there.
I know she is.
Strainer. I don't want to hold it.
Where does it have?
No, I don't want it on my head either. I don't want to see it that much. I need a small pot. Small pot for sauce. Small organization system up in here. Oh wait, that isn't for.
What?
Oh.
What are you looking for?
I need something for the sauce.
For the sauce?
Put the sauce in and put the meatballs in there when they're done.
I mean, this is kind of big, but...
I mean, I don't know how big it is. That's one. Who does the dishes? Your mom?
Yes.
Have you taught her to do the dishes?
No.
Have we taught her the dishes to get the food out of the dishes?
You would think this would be something I didn't have to teach.
Well,
But alas.
unfortunately, she suffers from brain damage.
So,
Unfortunately, you do have. That is something you may have. Like teaching her how to use the rice cooker instead of burning the house down.
I tried.
Has she just not been having rice lately?
Huh?
Has she just been not having rice lately?
Yes.
Weird.
Maybe it did preheat. There's no lights on. Girl. Shoved them brownies in there.
How long are they supposed to cook for?
I think like 27. I think just eyeball it.
34 to 37. Meatballs. Meatballs out of pan. Meatballs going for 15 to 20. Start with 15. Water.
Water.
Hot.
Water in the pot.
Water in the now clean pot.
Ricola!
What do you have to talk to people about?
Daffy. Look at her. Look at her. She is Daffer of the knee. She is sweet baby child of corn. Oh, the gayest person you know, guys, got a boyfriend. Oh, God. Oh, my God. What? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
You and your back issues. Salt your pasta water.
I got scoliosis.
Salt your pasta water.
Oh, you on your stool, Daphne? Look at this child on her stool. She on her stool. Me, Daphne. Portuguese, Portuguese, Portuguese.
9 to 11 minutes. She said you stopped.
Yeah.
Rotolatitos.
Rotolatitos. Rotolatitos. Oh! Y'all almost died. Y'all almost died. Don't commit suicide. We love you. You're too sexy to die.
Spoon clean? Clean spoon? Spoon have.
I said homeschool.
Spoon have
things on it. Spoon have stuffs on it.
Spoon need to be scrubbed.
Spoon need a scrubbing.
Scrub.
Ooh.
Tell me why there's more dirt in this drawer than on the floor.
Why and how? I have questions. Tea. But why do they need that? They don't want tea. Oh.
Depression tea. Depression tea. Depression tea.
Oh my gosh.
The boyfriend. We will be using a fork to stir the pasta because this spoon's dirty.
Boony dirty.
Help me water along here. Boil this. Please. I want to eat.
Shimmy, shimmy.
Do you have a cutting board?
Nope. Need one of those.
Right.
Right. Oh.
We use a big plate instead.
Yep. Innovative.
What the fuck is it doing? Big ass plate.
That's a jig.
Mother Jill came to see us. Explain. Explain to the people why we had to stop.
My mother came downstairs with my sister and her boyfriend. And she says, huh?
The boyfriend. Showing it. Got it.
These are not the OG ones. These are not the OG ones.
Garlic butter.
Garlic butter.
On the bread. Cut like ass because you have no knives. Cut butter. Or not butter bread. You have no bread knives.
Hee
We are just kind of winging it. See, if we were at my house, this shit would be.
A no-no?
It would have been what?
A no-no?
No, it would be 10 times better. We would have all the correct tools and materials.
I'm poor. I don't know what she wants from me.
That was a lot of garlic on that one. Maybe it'll clear up your... Garlic is supposed to help with... Whatever the fuck you got going on over here. Illness you contracted. It's not water boiling yet.
Hurry your ass up.
Run me over. Can I have one? I forget which one I like. These are the OG ones. What are you talking about?
Are they?
Yes, nickel nips.
They taste different. I know. Different taste.
I love the taste of wax. I totally just found her pepper.
Yeah, we found her.
Totally wasn't
It was in the
locked
corner.
in my room.
No, it was in the corner of the kitchen.
Her salt totally also wasn't locked in my room.
No, we have no idea.
Because I totally didn't take it.
Yeah. It's crazy she wouldn't think that.
She goes, "You found my pepper?" Yes.
Thank you.
It was in the corner.
She goes, "Good job, Tabby."
I stole it, actually.
She's so fucking weird.
I took it, actually.
She's been extra nice to her for some reason lately. I hate it.
I like it.
It's like, what does she
Freaking me out.
want? What does she want? Okay, like first you try to hit her with a car, now you're being nice.
I don't think you told that story.
Oh. Yeah, she tried to hit her with the car.
Tell the whole story.
The whole story?
The whole story. I'm putting all the box down.
It begins. It begins with us asking Sean to go to McDonald's. A simple request. A simple request, you would think.
Mind you, my idea. Who'd go?
I go inside. I ask. He says no. Gives me this puppy dog look like help. Help.
Help.
I can't help you, buddy.
You've done this to yourself, sir.
We go to McDonald's. We come back. Poor child is sitting on the couch drunk. Says to me, "Serenity, would love to have a conversation with you." I go, "Okay, sure." I sit down. You motherfuckers. Right. I go, "Sure."
Sure, Sean again.
Sure, Sean again.
I'm sat on the stairs.
Listen. He starts trauma dumping. Aggressively.
As one does.
Aggressively as one does. One thing leads to another. We invite Angel on a walk to talk about her feelings.
Yes, her feelings.
Her feelings. Ends up sprinting back to the house in a rage. We fly after her.
Really?
We both started running.
Who
What
got
you
there
talking
first?
about? Motherfucker, I had my phone almost fly out of my pocket.
I was
my
in my
500.
steel toes.
I was also in my boots, bitch. What's your point? What is your point? I don't want my $500 phone flying out and crashing on the ground.
Grab it out of your pocket.
My adrenaline was pumping. I made sure I was like 2 seconds behind her. She was in my line of sight the entire fucking time.
Right. I totally believe you.
You were.
I looked back and you were nowhere to be seen when I first got there. I stopped, I went, and you were not there. I stood behind her car. I said,
Like a fucking dumbass.
"When?"
Like a
I
dumbass.
didn't think she was gonna hit me.
As if she wouldn't hit you.
I didn't.
I said, "Abigail Grace Pillsbury,
How dare you pull that
Move.
on the internet?
you're fucking dumbass." She did not. Had to get in front of the dumbass, push behind as Angel
You actually
went.
never told me.
Vroom. Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I looked you straight in the eye and I said, "She will hit you. Move
You
over."
didn't explicitly tell
Yes,
me.
I did. Yes, I did. I said, "She's going to hit you. You should move." And you said,
I said, "No, she won't."
she said, I said,
Well, I didn't
Angel.
think she would actually hit me.
she's fucking crazy. I told you she hates your ass.
She don't seem to be acting like she hates me.
Well, that's what's creeping me out.
Sprint, I
That's the
think.
creepiest part of it.
What is that?
What? Ooh. Ew, don't tell that to the people. Trigger warning. Ooh, absolutely not.
Garbage.
Mm-mm.
Garbage. Into garbages now.
Yeah, good job. Just throw them all.
Well, I need at least one.
I don't. It's the way my crazy ass sister locked eyes with her and then hit the gas. It's that for me. That's what did it for me.
Mind you, Sean is in the car.
Sean
trying
is-
to stop her this whole time, and he is unable.
He is unsuccessful. I'm screaming at the dumbass. Hey, maybe don't do that. Maybe
Sean,
let her go.
Let's get out of the car.
How about we get out of this fucking stupid ass motherfucker? I then text him. I'm like, Sean, she drives off like a crazy bitch. I go, Sean again. Text him, you know? Are you alive? Are you kicking currently? Still. He sends me his location. And he, like, well, he sends me like a couple hours. And you know, he hasn't shut it off.
No.
Because he's still scared. He's still terrified. Josh, the other day, he goes, you know, Sean needs to realize he can do it. I was like, yeah, Josh. Yeah. I said, tell him. Speak it how it is.
You know, I kind of hope Josh tells Angel to go fuck herself. Right? But then tells Sean, I actually want to be your friend.
Yeah, we were talking about that.
And then Sean breaks up with Angel.
We were talking about that.
We kick Angel out, we let Sean stay. He can live on the couch.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't like him that much.
He live in the backyard. He can live in a tent. In the backyard.
Maybe.
He live in a tent.
No, because me and Josh were talking about that. We were like, yeah, if he didn't know Angel, he'd be chill as fuck. Yeah.
But when I first met him, not last year, but the year before, he didn't know Angel yet.
No, he didn't.
And I was like,
no,
you're a
I
little
talked
weird.
to him first.
You're a little weird.
Yeah.
Smidge probably on the spectrum. But it's fine.
A smidge.
It's fine. We can run with that.
A smidge.
Go below. Away he go. He's sauntering off. Yeah, but like...
You know, I kind of introduced Sean to Angel too, because I talked to him first.
Steamy fork. Steamy fork. I just realized my spoon is gonna get really hot just in there. I don't trust your spoon rest. I think it's gonna be dirty. I don't trust your spoon rest.
Why?
I don't know. I never trust it. It's clean.
It looks clean.
That don't mean shit.
It looks like everything.
Exactly. So this one can stay. This one. It's going to get trash. We have one. One now. One singular pot holder. How fun.
You need something? You need something? Just
Kayla came up to me today on the hallway. She goes, Abby, I have a question. I said, you've never talked to me in my life, but shoot. She goes, can you break wood with your arm? I said, probably, but I never have. She goes, why haven't you? I said, I'm just not.
Love the crack.
My ankle.
Love the crack.
I go, we had one of those plastic ones when I was a kid, and I was the only one that wanted to do it, and I was the only one who didn't get to do it. She goes, that is the stupidest thing I have ever heard in my life. I said, I know.
I know.
The first time she spoke to me in weeks. Abby, I have a question.
Abby, I have a question.
Every time she says that, it's something martial art related. I'm like, what do you want, Kayla?
Why the questions, girl?
She's so nice, though, but she's mixed in with the wrong group in our class. I think. I don't think she, meant to, either. I think it's just how it worked out. She did creepy.
How many people are in your class?
16, including myself. Garrett, Ellie, Taylor, me, Bree, Autumn, Kylie, and then you have Alara, Rhiannon, Becca, Ashley, Sarah, Livy, Casey, Kayla, Stevie. That is all of us. Oh no! I lost one. To the stovetop. And I don't trust that it's clean, so it's not going in there.
Guys, look at my stupid, beautiful fish shirt that I found the other day. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's embroidered. With a little wormy on the hook, and you get little fishies over on the side. It's beautiful. It's so stupid. I don't know when or where I'm gonna wear this, but I had to get it. Look at it. It's dumb as fuck. I love it.
Wear whatever the hell you want. Who's gonna stop you?
This is true.
bread on a pan.
Bread.
Gonna have a little bit of meatball juice on it, but it's fine. Oh, another dish for Mother to wash.
Oh.
How fun.
Oh my god.
How fun and fresh.
And fresh.
Do you want this little meatball that fell
Well, that might.
on the countertop?
I'm so okay.
Would you like to test the pasta?
Sure.
Would you like it cold or you just want it hot in your hand?
Cool it.
You don't want it hot today? Like it last time.
You have something on the back of
Probably.
your...
Have some water.
It's done. It's done. Yeah.
Fun. It's done? That's probably gonna be in there for like 10 Shut up.
Switch.
Shut your ass. Forgot to move the strainer. Do we want to mix it in this pot? Sauce and everything?
Sure.
Pour him back in there. A little bit of water's okay. Oh, Daphne.
Damn it, come eat the noodle.
We discovered you kind of like noodles.
Daphne? Where are you?
I know, sorry.
Daphne's, would you like a noodle? Where are you? You know what? No. Also, did you hear Sean's sassy ass when he walked in here?
Mm-hmm.
He's like, oh my god, yell at them. Their boots are in the way. Die, Sean.
My shit ain't in the way. My shit's on my feet.
My boots were not in the way, too. It's a normal thing.
He's just a little salty.
He's just fucking yapping.
You want salt and pepper in this? Or would you like to do it on your own?
I'll do it on my own.
Does this have a lid?
That's a great question. Oh. Nope. Yes. Yes. Ooh, this is a tunnel.
What? Cleaning it.
I know. No, there's one of clothes.
Why? My clothes are cleaner than just about anything else in this house. And I've worn this for a day. Now we wait for our bread. Did I put him away? I guess I should leave her salt and pepper down here, shouldn't I?
What? I
Should
guess.
probably leave it down here this time.
I guess, now that they know we have it, they will come looking.
I didn't know I had shit. They just know it's down here. What would you like for a bowl / plate? Would you like your plate? Bowl thing? You want this?
Yes. Look at this. Look at this beautifulness. Oh, where my spoon at? My spoon still upstairs? My
Probably. No, actually, it's right down here. I got it down in the wash.
Oh, whatever. I got the good spoon. This spoon. Beautiful, beautiful spoon.
My bowl of choice.
Look at that. Beautiful spoon. What the fuck is that?
Spoon.
Spoon. Spoon.
I'm going to bring my things upstairs. Check on the bread. See if it's crispy.
Not crispy. Not crispy. My boyfriend, we're going as pirates for Halloween. He making me a ruffle shirt. See, this is the great thing about dating like a DIY man. He can make you shit. He can make you shit. Look at this. Not done yet. Not done. Almost done. Not crispy. Not crispy. Not.
Let me pet her.
Did she?
Yes. She's curled up on my bed.
Not crispy. What's in a cookie jar?
Hot tot.
Yeah. Alright.
That is all.
Gross.
My homemade popcorn is better. Do we make popcorn tonight?
Hell yeah. Popcorn. With the salmon and Kobe's. How many have they released?
We've missed 3.
Jesus Christ.
The last 3 are out. We saw the first one on time.
We binge.
And then someone was at home.
Yes, I was doing my job. Yes.
You were at Josh's 1 week.
That is my job.
Nope.
He's a part of my job.
Nope.
Yes, it is.
And then you were pet fitting.
Yeah, my job. My job. The thing I do to make income.
That you could have taken an hour to come here. But instead you went to Josh's house.
Right. Well, you could have come with me.
To Josh's house?
No, house sitting.
45 minutes from the school when I actually have to go to class? No.
That was your fault.
You don't have to go to class. I do.
Well, I invited her to stay. She said no.
Did you check
Yeah,
the
she's
brownies
still
yet?
Yeah, they ain't done that. I haven't poked them.
Well, plastic is probably not the best deciding factor. These are quite durable plastic forks.
Oh my goodness. You're very soft. They're done. Just,
Would you like them out?
yes.
With my one clean
The fuck?
hamburger.
Oh, he's durable. The fuck? Hello?
Do we have
Goddamn,
Jesus
okay.
fuck.
Okay, I did not expect that.
Is this blank?
Oh, mother wrote that for me.
Perfect. Did you hurt your mouth? Plastic everywhere.
Yup.
Get in here.
Kicks it over.
I ain't touching that
I know.
with my hands.
Facebook Marketplace, you got trash can?
Probably just as much as getting one. Ooh.
I'm not spent. Oh.
I think our brother next time.
Oh, that's why there were so many fire trucks. You know the mills?
Yeah.
They were on fire. Huh.
They went up in flames.
They went up in the flames.
What do you think of the garlic bread?
Perfect. Mm-mm.
Do we get a panoramic shot of the meal?
Yeah, sure.
Go for it.
Alright. How the fuck? Hey, gal. Oh, y'all can see that.
meatball.
Meatball?
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread?
Bunny.
Money. Deliciousness.
Hunger.
Hunger. It consumes.
At 3 o'clock. Well, that's fun. I wish we had a bigger stove. But we don't. Have one that is clean, which is also one of my requirements.
I'm gonna ask my mom to clean that up.
I don't think she's going to.
What happened to the fucking spatula?
Angel?
What happened to him?
I'm going to take a wild stab that Angel and Sean haven't.
Crazy that works. This spoon is clean.
Is it?
It is.
I don't believe that.
Clean spoon.
That is crazy work.
Clean spoon, Joe.
Well, I'm done already.
Yes, I know. Clean spoon.
I'll get a plate for our bread. Salt. That was a lot of salt. It's fine. Pepper. Salt and pepper. Pepper in my nose. That was pepper. Absolutely delicious.
10 across the board.
Bread number 1. Bread number 2. Bread number 3. Number 4. Garlic bread.
Cannabis. What? He's weebly wobbly. The fucking hell? Weebly wobbly.
It's a 4 chord.
For stuffing things. For things
my
and
nose.
stuff. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. You haven't yet. And that's fucking ridiculous.